What? Hai Mbak, rame banget loh. Kenapa?
You can see my background, you know.
Oh.
We have about 70 packs coming for CRP45.
Wow, 7 oh, 70.
Untuk program CRP kita luar biasa.
Luar biasa.
CRP itu untuk bebas dari obat kolesterol, hypertension dengan diabetes. Itu semuanya pada cepat-cepat datang. Jadi mau lepas dari obat sehat langsing tadi. Okey?
Okey, sip.听课，
现在哈。哦。Hai Shanti, ini saya ketemu dengan namanya Sydney.
Hi Sydney, nice name. Sydney, I see you very healthy. But you opt for CRP45. I see many people here come for this CRP45. I myself, yes. So may I know what is your reason why you want to choose CRP45?
First, I want to check my body. Is it in a healthy position or not? And then I want to slim down, of course, because it helps me to slim down in a healthy way. Because I use a lot of different way, like injection, and still cannot. So I use medication, still cannot. So I think just third week only, and I can see the result.
So, like myself, I'm actually free from medication, and also after that you can see I'm slimmer, okay? And many people compliments and said you look better now, okay? But actually my biggest achievement is I'm free from medication, from my diabetic medication and insulin. So I know you sure can. Jayo.
Yes, jayo.
So both of you recommended for the CRP to other people?
For me, yes, because it's still under the program.
Yeah,
yes.
still under the program.
Yes.
Okay.
We wish all the best.
Yes.
It's all the best.
See my result.
Okay.
We will follow up with you.
Okay, bye.
Because I want to check my health, you see, to make sure that to have a more healthy body. So that's why I came here to check.
I see.
Thank you.